We now look at a somewhat more complex example of a formula with the probability function. So to start with, let's look back at axiom 3. It says if you have two pieces, such as the A or B in this figure, and they don't overlap, they're mutually exclusive, then the size of the blue and red regions are found by adding the blue region plus the red region. But let's say we take away that line that says they don't overlap. So now they overlap. I could break that up into parts. That region is the blue region combined with the red region. But we're not talking about unions right now. We're talking about the probability function. So what if I take the probability or size of the blue and red region and break it up? If I add up the blue region plus the red region, that's what probability means, I have a problem because the middle part is duplicated. So I need to take away that duplicated region. Again, adding up the sizes, the size of blue plus the size of red, counts that overlapped region 2 times. So removing one copy of that leaves it once. And now we have blue, red, and we don't double count the center. This formula is called inclusion-exclusion. So let's look at an example of how to apply inclusion-exclusion. So my 9-year-old son likes Burger King. When we go there, he usually orders French fries. So let's say an 80% chance. The majority of the time, he gets chicken nuggets, 60% of the time. And when he gets chicken nuggets, he usually gets both. So we'll say 50% of the time. In case you're wondering how these wouldn't all happen together, sometimes he gets chicken fries, sometimes he does other things. So the question I have is, what is the probability that he's going to get fries or nuggets? So let's write the question down by parts. First, what are the events we're considering? One of the events is that he orders fries. Another event is that he orders chicken nuggets. So I'm going to call those events A and B. Next, let's look at the numbers given. 80% chance of event A, 60% chance of event B, and a 50% chance that both of them happened. We can plug these into inclusion-exclusion now if we're looking to find the probability of fries or nuggets. And once you plug those in and do a little arithmetic, we find there is a 90% chance that my son will order French fries or chicken nuggets.